Welcome to MSR WebTech YouTube channel. Please share, subscribe and like our videos. And today's topic will be image tag. And if you have any large content or very interesting content on your website, it will not treated as very important, because user generally needs somewhat visualization. To get that visualization, we use image tag. Let me show you how with example of our website. Here, when you not using any kind of image, it looks like as an ordinary text. When you use image as new or hot, it is known as GIF image. When you use this image, this content will be gets highlighted. This is the beauty of image tag. So let's get started how to use this. So image tag, if you write image within the braces, it will not work. img is the correct tag. It has different types of attributes. I will explain one by one. First attribute is src. src attribute is just like href attribute in HTML. It is used to give the address of the particular image. Let's get started with the coding. Okay, here it is img tag, not img, it's just img tag, and src equal to, this is the link of that particular anchor tag image, which was encoded between the double quotes. Next, Ctrl S and just refresh that way, go to the window where you have saved, and it is not actual website. Let's save. Yes, it is getting anchor and image tags along with that attributes live execution of our MSR WebTech YouTube channel. Yes. Next, this is the use of the src attribute in image tag. Next attribute will be alt. Okay, sometimes user gets is not able to get the image. Then user may feel that if you do not have any kind of text behind this, user may feel that there is nothing in the website. So in order to convey with the user, we use this alternative. This will show some text when the loading of image get failed. When image loading is get failed, this text will be displayed. I will show you how. This is the actual link. I see, just I am erasing this. This gets duplicated link. So if you write alt, whatever you write between the alt, it will get be displayed. Okay, 1.jpg. this is not at all located in any web or my system. So this is the wrong address. Then what to display? Sorry, failed to load MSR WebTech YouTube channel image. So in order to this is the text which were write by me to convey the user in the alt tab. Ctrl S and refresh this page. Yes, it is failed to load the image. Then it is just saying to the user, sorry, failed to load the MSR WebTech YouTube channel image. Just like that. This is the beauty of the alt attribute. Next thing is, next attribute will be title attribute. I will show you title attribute, how it works. Title attribute means when you go over the image, in order to when you just take your mouse to the image, it will give you the information regarding that image. So I will show you about the coding. Instead of font, here we use title. This is the actual link of the image and title. What MSR Webtech YouTube channel image. So how the title works? This is the attribute equal to, this is the value encoded between, always values are encoded between double quotes. So let us see, Control S, let's see how it works. Yes, it will load, it is loading the image because of SRC, and it is getting MSR Webtech YouTube channel. When I take the mouse over the image, when I take out the mouse, nothing text will be displayed. When I take the mouse, MSR Webtech YouTube channel. This is because of the title attribute. Next attribute will be height and width attribute. Height and width attributes are used to set the height and width of the image. It values are in terms of pixels, starting from 1 to infinity. See, for example, here I am not giving any width or height attribute. Here I am giving height equal to 50 pixels and width equal to 100 pixels. Let's show how it's differentiate. Just Control S and refresh the page. Yes, this is the actual image without any height or width setup. This is the image with height equal to 50 pixels and width equal to 100 pixels. Next thing will be, I think these three attributes are understood by you. That is SRC attribute to loading the image, alt attribute when you failing of the loading of the image, this text will be displayed to user. Next thing will be this height and width. Next thing will be title. Title is used for when you hover the mouse, or title will be displayed. Next thing will be combination of anchor tag, image tag and marquee tag. This also I have written the code. Marquee tag is explained me in previous videos. I will give you the link in the code box. Just show above, and here marquee ID on mouse over and mouse out events also I am using, which was explained me in a previous videos of marquee, and this anchor tag will be explained by me in previous videos, and image tag is explaining, and height, width and title tag also used by me. Let's see how it works. Just refresh the page. Yes, we are getting the, when you take the forum MSR Webtech image, that is because of title, and because of marquee. When you hover the mouse, this will get stopped because of mouse hovering events, which was explained by me in marquee videos itself. Next, if you click on this, image gets downloaded because of download attribute. Okay, thank you very much. I will provide the link for this for this code in the description box. Just click on the link. Please share, subscribe to our MSR Webtech YouTube channel to get more updates of this. Please encourage us to get more interesting content. If you want to execute the code, you can directly execute the code from the website itself. For example, execute, you will get the output here itself without going to, you want to execute this code. The link of this web